Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the URL on one of your products in your store. Here we are on my demo website. The first thing I'll do is click on pages, and then I'll scroll to our store and then click on that. Once I'm in there, I have these categories. I'll just hit all for now. And then I'll find the product I actually want to change the URL on. And it's going to be this Stanton Recipes Add 1. I'm going to click the three little dots and then hit edit. Now, this page includes a lot of information, but down here, if you click on the marketing tab, this tab here is where you could change the URL. So you'll click edit, and then in here is where you could change it. Now, this shop part is dictated by the URL of your entire shop. So if you want to change that, I'll show you, and then I'll give you a few warnings on all this. And then this here is the URL you could change. So let's just say we want to call it, we just want to say, we just want to say 1 or Stanton Recipes 2022. Let's say that's the version. Cool, we're good to go. Once we hit apply and save, that will update the URL and you'll see it here. I'm going to click on the product. Now that I'm on the product page, because I'm in the editor, it says this whole like config, blah, 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 blah. I'll just click this like arrow out so I see the full site, and you'll now see that it reflects the change we just made, Stanton Recipes -2022. Now, I just mentioned that if you want to change the URL for that shop part, what you'll need to do is actually go back to your pages panel here and then go to shop and then click the settings wheel here. And then this is where you change that URL slug. So in case it's like shop 1 or something weird, and you're like, I don't want it to be shop 1, I just want it to be shop. That's how you change it. Now, for URLs, as an SEO person, as an SEO expert for URLs, I got to give you a few warnings. If your site has been up for a while, this affects all your like SEO, because your SEO is built on your URLs. So it's like changing your address, your phone number. I mean, if you change your phone number out of the blue, you don't tell anyone, they're still going to call your old number. Even though you have a new number and it works, they're going to call your old one. You have to inform Google that you've updated the URLs. And if you have a ton of products in your store, it's a bit of work. I would hire an expert if you really need help and you want to make this change. Both of them are valuable, but if you just change a product, you just launched a product, not a big deal. But for your shop, if you have a lot of products and they've been up for a while, to change this URL is a big deal. So you want to make sure you do it right. Following that, if you just launched your store or you're just launching your site, no problem at all. Don't worry about it. The last thing to consider is if you are building your site for the first time, there's a lot of ways you can link to your shop. And so if you use the URL specifically and you change it, well, you have to manually go back to all the places you used it and fixed it. For example, if I change the shop to store, for example, I'll just do that and then I'll hit save. What I'll do is, let me go back to the navigation here. I'll go to pages and you'll see that we have a link here for our shop. Well, if I click on it, it's not going to work because we changed the URL. So I'd have to go back to the actual link here, click the settings wheel and fix this. So it now says store. You could just do /store, boom, is good to go. Hit save. If you put a link in your footer, you have to fix that as well. So anywhere you put a link to the shop page, you would have to adjust it. So just bear that in mind before you make the change. You're going to have to go to anywhere that link is. And if you have a few pages and you don't know where all the links are, it might be a little bit of work. So definitely check in on that before you make that change to a product, or more importantly, to your entire store. Friends, if you got value from today's video, hit that like button. When you hit the like button, it tells me that you got value from today's content. It tells the YouTube algorithm some fancy, important, critical information, but it tells me you got value from today's content. Next, if you want more resources for your site on Squarespace, anything from SEO to blogging, check out the links below. We have so many resources on our website, and we're publishing new resources each and every month. So we have plugins, we have downloadables, we have free downloadables, we have blog posts, we have a ton of content, we have a ton of services, a ton of great things for you. Finally, if you want more content just like this, consider subscribing. We publish 3 new videos a week. My mind is blown that we're publishing 3 videos a week. It is a lot of content, but we're doing it for you. So 3 videos a week. If you want more, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.